Good morning, dear students. In last class, we had read about the types of magnets. How many types of magnets are there? If you remember, there are different types of magnets. And what are they? They are like horseshoe magnet, okay, then we are discussing different types of, we are trying to recall horseshoe magnet, then we have disc magnet, there is a category of bar magnets, then we have another type of magnet called cylindrical magnet. Cylindrical magnet. And what is the next one? It is ring magnet. Okay. So these were the different types of magnet that we have learnt earlier in our previous class. Okay. Now these are artificial magnets. These are which kind of magnets? Artificial. Okay. Man-made. The human being has prepared. And why they are in such type of? It depends upon the uses. Okay. How they are being used in different items or devices wherever we are using. So as per requirement or as per need, they are given the shape. So these are the five main types of magnet: horseshoe, disc magnet, bar magnet, cylindrical magnet, and ring magnet. Fine. So in the chapter now we are going to move forward and we will discuss about magnetic and non-magnetic material. Okay. Now we are going to discuss about magnetic and non-magnetic material. Now what do you mean by magnetic and non-magnetic material? See, the materials that are attracted towards a magnet are known as magnetic material. Okay, are called magnetic materials. Okay, the ones which are attracted towards, when we bring a magnet nearby some object and it gets attracted towards it, so we call it magnetic material. Okay, now these objects, magnetic material, these are either made up of cobalt, nickel, okay, or iron. So these are different metals which are magnetic materials. Okay, if we make any article out of cobalt or nickel or iron, then they are going to be attracted towards a magnet. So we call them magnetic materials. Okay. Now, important thing again, another thing about magnetic material. These magnetic materials, they can be converted into magnets. These magnetic materials can be converted into magnets. We can make like things made up of cobalt, nickel or iron, they can be converted into magnet also. They can be magnetized. Fine. So this was about magnetic material. So again let us recapitulate. Magnetic material are the materials which are attracted towards a magnet. They get attracted towards a magnet. Fine. Another thing, that examples are like cobalt, nickel or iron. If anything is made up of any of these these metals like cobalt, nickel or iron, then they are going to be attracted towards a magnet. Another important thing, these magnetic materials, they can be converted into magnet. We can convert them into a magnet. So this was about magnetic material. Now we will learn about another type, that is non-magnetic material. Okay. So what are non-magnetic material? Let us see. These materials, as the name is giving you hint, that they cannot be attracted towards a magnet. So material that cannot be attracted, that are not attracted towards a magnet, or you can just write down to a magnet. To a magnet are called non-magnetic material. Clear? So such type of materials which are not attracted to a magnet are known as non-magnetic material. Now some examples like wood, plastic, okay, or some other substances like rubber, etc. They won't get attracted towards the magnet, so they are examples of non-magnetic material. Okay, then another thing, can you convert them into magnets? Can these things like wood is there, anything which is made up of plastic or anything which is made up of rubber, can you convert them into magnets? No, you cannot. So another important thing is that these materials which are non-magnetic in nature cannot be converted into magnets. We cannot convert them into magnets. So again, non-magnetic material, the material or the things which cannot be converted into, or sorry, to attracted towards a magnet are known as non-magnetic materials. Now examples are wood, plastic, rubber, etc. And they cannot be converted into magnets even. So this we have discussed about magnetic and non-magnetic material.